The only point they said I'm not really happy about it, but in the end you see what I said from beginning about this group. You never know what happens in the next moment. For many people, Gambia with their very good squad was one of the favorite. Now they start with 2 games with 0 points, and I think if we continue like this, and in June when we'll have all our players back hopefully, and we will have time to prepare in March for the June matches, because then people should also not forget that we are the only team who played 2 matches away. All teams had minimum 1 home match. We played 2 away. So therefore we are very good in the race, even if we start with a lose. And I think in June, these 2 matches home against Burundi and Cote d'Ivoire can us put in a very good position. Part is now for all who think Seychelles is so simple. I will remind that this Seychelles played in the last years always some draws against South Africa and so on. So therefore, I'm sure some teams will leave also points against Seychelles. So we have now 5 goals also on their side. Maybe this goals helps for the future, but I'm quite sure about this team, and this team is sure about themselves. Everybody understands what is going on, and I think Kenyan football.
Kamite ya Olympics fururine NOC igitongorio ni muikarire giti Paul Tergat niranire gutigirira ati mikarire ya athaki ni yarumbuyo hindi ya mashindano ma Olympics wakati rorete fururine wa Faraja. Tergat niugite ati ni megutuma arugamiria Kenya taunine ya Miramas kuria timu ya Kenya itanyitwo kwambika kambi ya mehaririria mbere ya mathako maya iritajire ya gutigirira maundu mothe ni makinyanire ikiro. Thikũ 249 nicio itigarite mbere ya mashindano maya kwambiriria, na Kenya ikarugamirirwo ni timu cia Shujaa na Malkia Strikers hamwe na mathako mangĩ ta mahenya, shooting na taekwondo.
Pinnacle in terms of athletes excellence, and from our side, just seeing the teams that have qualified to the Olympic Games, the excitement begins. It's 249 days out to Paris, and the focus so far in terms of the support ecosystem around the athlete has been supporting qualifiers, ensuring the teams are able to honor their opportunities for them to qualify. And it's been great to see rugby and Malkia, amid all the challenges, qualify.
It is critical, as Kayange just said, that all of us, we want to make sure that in terms of the venues, we have to know accommodation and all the logistics around the games. We need to make sure that we are hands-on in everything that we are doing, so that we can be able to make sure that we send a very strong team, and you have just heard that we are aiming maybe to send the highest, hopefully maybe 100 athletes who are going to participate and represent the country in 2024 Olympics.
Na riu timu ya fururi ya anake athi wa miaka 18 Junior Stars no ithiete na mbere na mehariririe mayo kiharu-ini gia Kasarani Annex mbere ya kunyita itemi ngucanio-ini cia Sekafa na iria ikambiriria tariki 25 mweri uyu nginya tariki 9 mweri wa Dithemba kaunti-ini cia Kisumu na Kakamega thiini wa draw iria itafanirio umuthi. Junior Stars mabangirwo gikundi-ini kia A undu umwe na Somalia, Rwanda na Sudan kuria magacemania ngucanio-ini yao ya mbere na Sudan. Gikundi kia B kiri na mabũrũri ma Tanzania, Zanzibar, South Sudan hamwe na Uganda. Na riboti cio cia mathako nicio igutuhingira mutamburuko witu wa mohoro tuku wa umuthi. Ni wega muno makiria we wakorwo gitwarana hamwe na ithuĩ kuma rĩrĩa twambĩrĩirie nginyanagia na rĩu, na handũ-inĩ ha arĩa othe manyita itemi o rĩothe gũtigĩrĩra mohoro maya nĩ magũkinyĩra na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire. Giaina utuko mwega mutawari bitu na njĩra ya ciĩko tuku wa umuthi aumu wagaki wa Muthoni. Ni njĩtagwo Mũmbi wa Chege. Nĩ twĩrĩgane.
Kameme TV, Muthegi wa Rũrĩrĩ.